Adab, Salam, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, dosto. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for your love and support, folks. If you are first time being here, you are really highly welcome. Please guys, kindly watch this video till the end. Then if you like this, please subscribe to my channel. Do like, comment and share. Really gonna be appreciated for that. Adios, ciao. Here I am using one whole broccoli head, florets with the stems, neat and clean, washed well. Boiling water, I'm going to add broccoli, turmeric, salt. Now I'm going to let it boil for 5 minutes, then flip it over and let it another boil for 2 minutes. Then check with the knife if it's 60% done. Then strain the broccoli and keep aside. Desiccated coconut, star anise, and split lentil, urad dal, peanut, cumin, coriander, peepli, long pepper, some peppercorn and green cardamom, sabat chilli, bay leaf and cinnamon, urad dal, I'm gonna have dry roast for 3-4 minutes on super slow heat until it gets golden brown. Desiccated coconut. Turn off heat and let it rest or cool down. Figs is sun dried. I'm gonna have soaked in warm water for 20 to 30 minutes. Drained out all the water after half an hour. Garlic, ginger, green chilli, scallion, lemon juice. Roasted masala first. We're gonna add all stuff. Ginger, garlic, green chilli, scallion, okay, of course figs, lime juice, fresh lemon, adding some water, some chili flakes, fine, pink salt or Himalayan salt, add some more water, perfect, paste is ready guys. Cauliflower is cooled down. Okay. Coat paste all around the broccoli. Guys, oven is preheated on 375 Fahrenheit. I'm going to bake it. Scallion, salt to taste, thyme, curry masala, paprika, tomato, chili, onion and figs. Let's do the tempering tadka. Korean olive oil. Mussalam paste, I added some water. On slow heat, we're gonna let it simmer for 5-6 minutes. Stage, we're gonna add onion. Some salt. Cooking after 4-5 minutes. Onion just got translucent. We're gonna add tomato, chilli. After salt, thyme, curry powder, paprika, some water. Now we're gonna let it simmer for another good 5-7 minutes so that the figs become soft and tender. Baking after 25 minutes, the broccoli is perfectly done. Broccoli. Cooking after another 2-3 minutes on slow heat, we are going to turn off the heat and it's ready for serve.